How you doing, gardeners? Ed Snyder with this new YouTube video here with Fresh Picked Acres. So today I'm here working with my seed meters, the finger pickup units, first invented in the 1960s by Eugene Keaton. I really do enjoy and marvel at what he's accomplished with the pickup meter. But today, I tell you what happened is I had a belt that decided to come apart. This is the belt, and this is how the pieces it came about. Here is a full used belt, and generally speaking, you use a pair of pliers and you twist it and you verify at the beginning of your season and see if it wants to rip or tear. And that's what I do each year. But this particular belt here, it evidently had a weak spot, and then it all went downhill. Here is a new belt that's ready to be installed. So it's just time to do it. We need to get it done. I want to bring you along and show you how to replace the belts in your John Deere finger pickup units. So you're going to notice, number one, that there's a rotation. There's an arrow right here telling you the direction that this unit is going to turn. Plus, you're going to see over here to the side, it even has a diagram telling you how your belt needs to be placed in the unit to begin with. So you might think it might go the other way. As an example, here's the new unit. And let's just say that right now, you might think it's going that way. You might want to have something different. Well, it's not. You have to actually have it flipped over like that. So, and that tells you right here, if that's here, I brush that out a little bit. Maybe you can see it against the background, but that's how you do that. Second thing I want to point out is there's little tiny nipples right here that the belt sits into. So let's first off, I'm going to make it easy on myself. I'm just going to pop out this pulley down here. There we go. And it does have a bushing inside of there. So you might check, you would definitely want to check to make sure there's no big play or anything like that. Then we're going to go ahead and just start taking out the belt. And you just bend these back and it'll pop out. You could probably rotate it, but right now this is just as easy. Just take it, rotate this out. Now then, so we're going to discard this. I'll keep this as an emergency backup. Better to go ahead and use it and to keep planting for the day. So what we want to do here is verify the direction of our belt. And we're going to do that by comparing it to this particular diagram right there. So that we have both of them going the correct way. Simply bend these back, flatten them out, and then they will pop into the holes there. Whoop, like that one isn't quite in. There we go. So now I have my belt positioned in the proper way. It's going to turn this way. That's perfect. Everything's supposed to go just in that direction. I need to go ahead now and replace my bolt on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get that ball going. There we go. So really, there's no real tension here as much as it is the teats on here is doing that. Let's go ahead next. Oop, I gotta push this down. My bushing. There we go. So we have that. It's time to go ahead here and replace this cover. And look at that. I mean, it goes together so quickly. We'll put a nut right there on it. And just like that, our unit is going to be ready. I'll show you real fast here. Before I put the cover officially on, let's take a look at how this goes and how it spins. See how it moves through here? Yeah. I mean, it's just like that. It just goes really nice, really smooth. making a night. I mean, this is like we're going the direction it wants to go. It's going to pick up the seeds right here, and then it's going to drop them right into our fabric, right into it. So that's how this works. It just pushes it along and drops them out the bottom. So that's how the system is set up. Let's go ahead here and replace this. There we go. We'll put a nut. And this is such a simple task. Just go around and put all your bolts back in. It takes just minutes to do. First thing we need to do is just go ahead and put our bolts in. Attach a nut, and then we'll tighten everything up. And just like that, we're going to be all the way around and have our meter working properly. This is about 5 minutes per unit, just getting things apart and put back in. And like I said, don't rush yourself to a point where you don't this. Okay, and just like that, we're ready to go. I'll get a wrench on each side, and we'll have this unit put together. And there we go. Folks, it was great having you along today. If you like these types of videos, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe. Come grow with us.